Afternoon folks, it's the 9th of December and this is part 2 of the dehumidifier condensation bag videos. Anyway, look at the amount of water in there. There was more in there, but I dropped it. The only thing I don't like about these bags, as you can see, they drop off occasionally, and when they drop off the water can spill. So I suggest, if you're using them, to use that hole there, which will be a lot easier. But there's ½ inch to 1 inch of water, but there was more in it, so I'd say there was a good inch of water in there anyway. So, but I'm gonna move it from there and I'm gonna hook it up on there, which is a lot easier. It's alright, I got my coat drying. But yeah, they do work. So I recommend them. But in the meantime, one of the reasons I was having the condensation in here was because the blow air heating, or should I say, sorry, the blown air heating wasn't blowing into this part of the caravan. But I've sorted that now, and as you can see, hello again, there's no condensation on the mirror like there was in the first part. Blooming heck, that mirror needs cleaning, no? Anyway, so yes, the condensation bags or dehumidifier bags are worth using. The only thing is, like I say, the handles are a bit flexy. So if you've got somewhere you can use the hole in the handle, then use that. It makes it a lot easier. But yes, they do work, and as you've seen at the start of this video, like I said, you have to be careful because they will drop. But they do work. They aren't a con. But if you need them, give them a try, folks. Catch you later.